Technology and legal operations. I have spoken about the fourth industrial revolution before and how it is engulfing operations. I think cutting across all the professions and not just the legal profession. Today, I'll speak particularly to the legal profession. From what I have learned, the legal profession is one of those that appears to be technologically resistant. The profession is a very traditional profession. We are very traditional people, so we believe in very deep set principles. And if there's a need to change, there must be very good reason. And I think the legal profession depends on certain approval at certain levels of the profession. As you know, the legal profession is hierarchical. So we have state counsel, at least where I practice, which is the highest rank in the profession. Then you have senior counsel, junior counsel, and there is certain regard that we have for the hierarchy and what our seniors think is very, very important. And so, with that background, I'd like to now just go to what is happening around the world and what is happening to our profession as a legal profession in terms of technology. Whereas other professions, such as the accounting profession, the financial sector, they have embraced technology for purposes of efficiency and even security. They are quite ahead, but that is not to say that the legal profession is not doing anything. There are technologies that have been developed that are customized for legal services, and therefore it's important for us as lawyers to understand these technologies because we will be the users. And what technology has done to the legal profession, and I think even to other professions, is that there's a lot of administrative work, a lot of mundane work that we do as lawyers. And in private firms, that work is billable. But with the advent of technology, there is automation. And so that administrative work, that mundane work, is channeled to automation. And therefore, what that means, at least in private practice, is that you will not be able to bill for that kind of service to the extent that you were when it was manual. And so you will find that what traditionally used to be a chargeable service, in some cases, has become a free service. And so you will find that there are certain websites and portals where people can go and access information that previously could only be accessed by visiting a law firm and paying your consultation fees and so on. And so it's important for lawyers to also lead innovation. It's not just for the other professions. Technology is now growing exponentially, meaning that you can no longer say, oh, this is not going to find us. It's 50 years from now. When there's a change in technology, everybody in the world has access to it. And therefore, the call to us as legal practitioners is to embrace technology. And one of the advantages of technology is that because a lot of the processes will be automated, there is a lot of time for lawyers to be innovative, both in the realm of products and also in how we practice. I think that it's very important not only to acknowledge that there's technology and things are quicker. I think that it's time for us to look at our profession and see whether our profession is working within the current scenario. I think that going forward, even legal departments will need somebody who is technologically savvy to be part of the department, because I think that whether we like it or not, we are going tech. And so go out there. There's a lot of information on the internet. What kind of products are tailored for legal services? Take an interest in this, and you will see that there's no need for us to be as apprehensive as we are as lawyers about technology. Thank you very much for your kind attention, and see you next time.